Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace delivery boy. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how the marketplace vendors would now be able to manage the delivery boys for their orders, and how they can access the same using the mobile app. And apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the delivery guys would be able to complete a particular order that has been assigned to them by the marketplace sellers. And I'll also be showing you how the uh, marketplace vendors would be able to create the delivery boys from their account panel within the marketplace itself, and using the mobile app as well. So for that, let me take you to the web store front end. And first of all, let me show you how the marketplace sellers can manage the delivery boys under their own account panel, and from that account panel how they can assign the orders to the delivery boys as well. And thereafter I'll be showing you the mobile app section as well. So let's get in and let's see how this particular Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace delivery boy app would work out. So for that, let me take you to the front end first, and then we'll check the mobile end as well. And before we proceed further, for the admin end, how the admin would be able to create the delivery boys for his own orders, and how the admin can configure the app initially, you can watch my other video. That's for the default Magento 2. That's for the Magento 2 delivery boy app. So for that, I'll be adding the link within the description of this video. So let's get ahead and let's see the workflow at the marketplace sellers end under their own account panel first, and then the mobile application for the same. So here I'm at the Magento 2 marketplace web store front end. So what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into my seller panel first. So for that, I'll be entering my email and my password, and I'll be tapping on the login button here. So I've logged into my seller account right now, and on the left hand side you can see my marketplace block is there, where I have all my seller options to create products, with transaction, and the different other things. So here for this particular product, that's the Magento 2 marketplace delivery boy app. The sellers can now also manage their delivery boys for their particular orders. So here we have three different options. The first one is the managed delivery boy, the other one is the managed delivery boy reviews, and the third one is the managed delivery boy orders. Now we'll go through each of these three options one by one. So I'll be showing you these three options first within the marketplace web browser itself, and then I'll be showing the same within the app. That's for the Magento 2 marketplace delivery boy app itself, wherein I'll be showing you how the sellers would be able to log into their mobile application, and how they can basically assign the orders that have been placed on their store to the delivery boys, and then how the delivery boys would be able to process the same. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you how the customer would first initially place the order. All in all, I'll be showing you all of that process in a go. So let's go through these three options first. So let me open the managed delivery boys, managed delivery boy reviews, and the managed delivery boy orders section. So here on the managed delivery boy section, here we can see that we have the heading seller delivery boy list. So the sellers would be able to create the delivery boys. They can also enable or disable any of the delivery boys, and they can also search the delivery boys using the vehicle type, their status, or by their name. So apart from that, the seller would also be able to delete any of the created delivery boys. You would be able to create a new delivery boy by tapping on the add delivery boy here on the top right hand corner. So let's tap the add delivery boy. This brings up the add delivery boy section. So here you need to upload a profile image, you need to enter a name, email address, mobile number, set the status for the delivery guy, select the vehicle type of the delivery guy, set the vehicle number, his address, set up the password for his account. Now after you've done this, you tap the save delivery boy, and email would be sent out to the email address that you would have entered under this email section here, and the password would be sent out to that particular delivery guy, so that he will be able to access the account using the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace delivery boy app and using that app he'll be able to search or reach the customer's address and can deliver the particular order that the seller would have assigned to him. So that was about the managed delivery boy section here, where we have this list of all the delivery boys that we have already created. After that, we have the delivery boy ratings. Now after an order has been placed and it has been completed, when the customer gives the delivery boy some kind of a rating, at that time those ratings would be available here. Right now we haven't added any, and the seller would be able to approve the reviews that have been given to the delivery boys by the customers. Delivery boys orders, or the managed delivery boy orders, and under this particular section the sellers would be able to manage the delivery boy orders. So the seller can see the customer name, the total, the order ID, the increment ID, and can tap on the view order link to check a particular order here. So let's go to the order now. Now here on the order we can see the details of the order, and from here the seller would be able to assign a particular delivery guy to this particular order. So to assign a delivery boy, under the assign delivery boy section, the seller needs to tap on this drop down button so as to assign a particular delivery boy. So right now we have only one delivery boy that's there, so it's showing only one. Otherwise the delivery boys which are online right now, they would be available here under this particular section, and from here the seller can assign an order to the delivery guy. So here you can also see the shipping method selected by the customer. That's the express via delivery shipping method. So that was how the sellers would be able to check the delivery boy reviews, how they can manage the delivery boys, and how they can manage the delivery boy orders. So under this section they can assign basically the orders that have been placed to the respective delivery guys that are right now online for the seller. So this was the seller's end. Now let me go ahead and let me place an order for you and as a customer. So what I'll do is I'll just place an order as a customer first, and thereafter I'll be showing you using the mobile app how the sellers would be able to manage the orders and how they can assign that particular order to the delivery guy using the Magento to multi-vendor marketplace delivery boy app, and how the delivery guys would be able to basically how they will be able to complete that particular order using the mobile app itself. So now let me go ahead and let me place an order first. So I've added one product, that's this particular product, that's the lamp, into my cart. So let me go ahead and let me check out this particular product using the web store itself. So as a customer, the customer would be placing the order through the web store itself, and here you can see the express via delivery showing. So I'll select that, I'll tap the next button, and lastly I'll be tapping my place order button to place the order for the lamp or the web store itself. Alright, you can see that the order number is 91. Let me tap on that once. So it's for the lamp. So just remember this particular order number. The order number is 91. So what I'll be doing is I'll be now taking you to the mobile end, and there I'll be logging in to the seller's account using the mobile app itself. That's the Magento to multi-vendor delivery boy app, and I'll be showing you the same order, and I'll be showing you how we can assign a particular delivery guy to this particular order, and how that delivery guy can basically complete this particular order. So here right now we can see that there's no OTP or anything, but before completing the order the customer needs to provide one OTP to the delivery guy. After entering that OTP only the order would be completed. So as soon as this particular order is assigned to a delivery guy, the customer can see here one what we say as the OTP would be generated here, and the details of the delivery guy would also be displayed to the customer, the exact name of that particular, and the OTP would be displayed here. So I'll be showing you that as well. So now let's go to the mobile end and let's see how the seller can process the particular order. So here I'm at the mobile end right now. So I'll be tapping the multi-vendor delivery boy app icon here, or the shortcut here to open the app itself. So after the app comes up, I'll be logging into my seller account. So I'll be entering my username and my password for my seller account, and I'll be tapping on the login button thereafter so as to log into my seller account using the Mobicool multi-vendor delivery boy app itself. So right now I've logged into my seller account right now within the mobile app itself, and you can see the dashboard right now, and here we have the graph statistics for the sales. You can also check it for the orders by tapping on the orders here, and accordingly we can check the daily sales according to today, weekly, monthly and daily basis. Apart from that, the seller can check the pending orders, the processing orders, the complete orders, and can check the delivery boy status as well. So right now you can see that one delivery boy is online and available right now here on the map. And now let me tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left hand corner, and this brings the seller's dashboard on the side panel. And here you can see that we have orders section, delivery boy, chat, language and logout. Let's go to the orders section and let's see what different orders are there. So as you remember, we just placed an order as a customer over the web browser and the order number was 91. So here you can see that under the all we have the order number 91. Under the assigned one, the seller can check the orders that have been assigned to the delivery guys already, and under the unassigned, the seller can check all of those orders that have not yet been assigned to any of the delivery guys. So now let's open this particular order. That's the order number 91, and let me show you how the admin can assign this particular order to a delivery guy. So here you can see the order that we had placed as a customer was the lamp. So if the delivery if the seller wants to assign a delivery guy to this particular order, what he can do is he can directly tap here on the delivery boy option that we have to choose a delivery boy, and this brings up the list of the delivery guys that are online right now. So right now Matthew is online, so we can tap on Matthew and we can assign him to this particular order. So here you can see that the order has been assigned, and now here for this delivery guy option you can see the Matthew is showing up. Now apart from that, after assigning it, the seller can also enter a comment for this particular order assigned to Matthew. All right, and can also submit the comment as well. So I've edited the comment as well. So now this order has been assigned to the delivery guy, that's Matthew. Now let me go back. So that was how to assign an order to a delivery guy using the mobile app itself. And under the assigned one, we can see now that the order has been the orders that have already been assigned to a delivery guy. So the order number 91 is not showing here because the delivery guy has not yet accepted that particular order. As soon as he has accepted that order, this thing would this particular order number 91 would be shown under the assigned one, and under the unassigned we have the orders that are not yet been assigned. So that's why it's showing under the unassigned right now, the order number 91. As soon as the delivery guy accepts it, it will come under the assigned one. Now let's go to the delivery boy section, and here the seller would be able to see all of the orders, all of the delivery guys that he has created. So he has 4 delivery guys right now, and you can see that Matthew is online right now, and we can tap Matthew to check the orders that we have assigned to him. So here you can see that we have assigned the 91 order to him. So has he delivered anything? No, not yet. Under undelivered, we can see the orders that he has not yet delivered. We can also check the details of this particular delivery guy by tapping this eye icon on the bottom right hand corner, and that would bring up the delivery boy details, the telephone number, the email, the what we say as the car number and the type of the car, and the location or the exact location of that particular customer as well, of that particular delivery guy exactly on the map, as you can see right now is showing here. So that was for the delivery boy. We have delivery list under this section. To add a new delivery boy, the seller can tap here on the plus icon on the bottom right hand corner, and that brings up this section wherein the seller can enter the details and tap the submit button to add a new delivery boy using the mobile app itself. So apart from that, we have the chat section wherein the seller would be able to chat with the delivery guys as well and the customers as well. So to chat with the to chat with the delivery guy, the seller can tap on the particular delivery guy to bring up the section. So it's hello Matthew, assigned one order. So that's how he can the seller can chat with this with the delivery guys as well as with the customers as well. And under the language section, the seller can choose the type of language he wants to use. So we have English and Arabic right now. For example, if you choose Arabic, we'll be seeing that the app would now be in Arabic, as you can see. So now let me take you to the order section once again, to the order number 91, as the seller has assigned the particular order to a delivery guy. So right now I'll show you now the details. This is order number 91, and here you can see the details of the delivery guy, that is Matthew, his telephone number and his license plate as well. Apart from that, now you can see that the customer can see the OTP as well, and here we have the different ratings that can be given to this particular delivery guy. So now let me take you back to the delivery guy mobile application for the multi-vendor marketplace for Magento 2, and let's process the order on the delivery guy end, and then we'll come back here to see the details of the completed order. So that's how the seller can use the mobile app in the multilingual way as well. So now let me change the language once again. Let me make it to English. And now lastly, let's go that was the language section, and lastly we have the logout to log out of the app itself. So now let me log in as the delivery guy, and let me show you the workflow there at the delivery guy end. So let me enter the username and password for the delivery guy. Let me tap the login button, and let me allow. All right, now you can see that to be the delivery guy has received this order, but he has not yet accepted it. He can cancel or accept it as per his own requirement there. So for now we'll be accepting this particular order. All right, we need to enable our GPS as well for the proper functioning of this particular app. And here you can see that the delivery guy can see his own status right now. So even the delivery guys can check the sales and the orders, and can check the daily sales according to today, weekly, monthly and yearly basis. Can check the pending orders, processing orders, completed orders as well. And from the side panel, let me open the side panel. Here the delivery boy can check the orders, can chat with the admin, can set up the settings, can change the languages, and can make a logout as well. Let's go to the orders section, and here the delivery guy can see all of the orders that have been assigned to him. So here is the order number 91 that we were processing there. So now what we'll do is we'll just tap on this order number 91, and here we can see that we have the customer details as well, John Doe. And I can also check the address or on the map by tapping this icon here that looks like an arrow. If I tap in that, this will open the maps and would display me the location of the customer, and can give me the directions to the customer's address as well. Now what I'll do is here you can see that it was assigned to Matthew, and the admin had wrote assigned to Matthew. So we can we can basically enter and comment as well, like received. We can submit the comment. Now what the delivery guy needs to do, he needs to pick up the order, and for it he'll be going to the pickup location. So what he'll do is he'll tap on the pickup location to check the pickup location here. So I'll tap on the pickup location, then I'll be opening the map. It automatically opens the map, And now I can tap on the directions button to easily navigate to the place where I need to pick the order from. So I can pick the order from that place and after I've picked up the order from that place, what I can do is I can come back into the app and I can type in picked up, comment, and then I can basically go ahead and I can tap the picked up button here. So I'll confirm yes, I've picked up the order. As soon as I've picked up the order button, we'll see that the order would have been processed further. All right, let me go back. I just tapped on that back button there. All right, so I've picked up the order now, and now I can directly go to the customer's address. Now you can see that the status is processing right now. So I can now navigate to the customer's address by tapping this right arrow here. This would open the maps, and then now I can tap on the directions to easily navigate to the customer's address. After reaching the address of the customer, what I can do is I can tap on the deliver button, and now here I need to ask the customer that OTP that I just showed you back. So I'll be entering that OTP and I'll be tapping proceed button to complete this particular order. So I've entered the OTP here, and in a while the order has been now delivered successfully to the customer, and now you can see that the status is complete for the order number 91. And apart from that, the customer the delivery guy can talk to the admin as well from the chat window here. And apart from that, the delivery guy can go to the settings wherein he can basically make himself online or offline depending upon depending on if he has processed all the orders. If there are any orders that are yet to be completed, then he'll not be able to go offline. So he can make himself online or offline using this particular button here. So tapping that up would make him offline, but we still have the pending orders, otherwise showing that you still have pending orders. And lastly, he can also change the language as per his own requirement, and tapping the logout button would log the delivery guy out from the mobile app itself. We just saw that the delivery guy just delivered the order and the customer gave this OTP at the time of delivery. Now the customer can give this particular delivery guy a rating as well. So now let me refresh this page on the web browser for the customer. So here you can see that now we can see that we have the invoices and the order shipments as well, and the order has been delivered right now. So that was much about the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace delivery boy app, and I hope it helped you out to understand the workflow as well. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular mobile application, then you can get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.